Calling all first-time home buyers, this is your house. 43 White Birch is located in the Bluffs, in the heart of it all, and it is so well maintained. My clients have lived here for 30 years and it is so well loved. Come take a look for yourself. Enjoy entertaining in this incredible backyard. At the end of a long day, go for a sunset stroll in Bluffers Park. You'll thank me later. If you're looking for a well-loved family home, get in touch with me today. I am happy to show you around. Cheers.